Hi, third grade. Today we are going to look at lesson 20 in your grammar packet and review possessive nouns. The introduction says that some nouns show that a person or animal owns something. A noun that shows ownership is called a possessive noun. For example, the girl's hat means that the girl owns or has the hat. The tiger's fur means that the fur belongs to the tiger. To form the possessive of a singular noun, add an apostrophe and then an S. So, for example, one seller. The ticket seller's booth is at the front of the zoo. There's only one seller, so you put apostrophe before the S. To form the possessive of a plural noun, you add an apostrophe after the S. For example, the plural, lions. It says the lions area is near the back of the zoo. So there are multiple lions in that area. Notice the apostrophe goes after the S if it's plural. All right, let's look down below at the guided practice and do that together. The directions at the top say, write the possessive form of the noun in parentheses to complete each phrase. The hint over on the left-hand side says, how can you tell if the possessive noun should be singular or plural? Look at the ending of the noun in parentheses, and also look for clue words such as a or one. Those would indicate a singular noun, or several and few would indicate a plural. So number one, a blank key. Well, the word in parentheses there is the compound word zookeeper. Since this article A is in front, that's telling me that there is one zookeeper. So what would you do? Apostrophe S or S apostrophe? What do you think? Right, apostrophe S at the end, a zookeeper's key. Number two, several. Boy, that tells you that this one's plural. Bunny's ears. Well, they tell you how to spell bunnies, but if it's a plural possessive, remember the apostrophe goes after the S, so it should look like that. Number three, one penguin's flippers. Well, one penguin. So how do we make the flippers belong to that penguin? Right, apostrophe S for penguins. Number four, a few, that's plural, foxes' tails. Well, since it's a plural possessive, remember apostrophe goes after the S, a few foxes' tails. Number five, three cleaners' brooms. Well, again, this shows you three means there's more than one, it's plural. So therefore, cleaners should have an apostrophe after the S. Number six, a guest tickets. Well, we wanted to say the tickets that belong to the guest, so it would be a guest's tickets. Since it's singular, it goes apostrophe and then the S. Number seven, some cranes' nests. In this case, cranes is a bird. So some, plural, cranes with the apostrophe at the end, nests. And lastly, an emu's egg. Okay, it's one. Notice it's an because the next word starts with a vowel. That's a rule that a lot of you need to practice. If the next word after starts with a vowel, you don't say a emu or a apple. You say an apple or an emu. So anyway, an emu's egg, that's singular, so we do apostrophe S there as well. Okay, head on over and complete your independent practice on your own. Best of luck.